Hi friends, welcome to testing tutorials point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to select drop-down values by using WebDriverIO. Okay, select drop-down is nothing but we can able to select any country value and anything. We can able to inspect that particular country drop-down and we can able to enhance what all the things are presented in that particular country. Okay, this is a label type. This is a complete different structure. You can able to see. This is a select tag, that is the countries, and if you expand here we can able to get the some options. Okay, based upon the options we can able to select any country. Okay, there's a country having a ID of that. Okay, in the ID we can able to select by based upon anything. Okay, what are the options we have or what are the operations we can able to do it to select some values. We have select select by index. One option is there and another one is select by visible text and another one is select by attribute. These are the operations we can able to do it. Okay, and if somebody knows already seen Selenium or Python place, similar format here also presented the options. Okay, index is nothing but number, visible text is nothing but a value of that particular label or option. Okay, attribute is nothing but we can able to see there is a option is having for value attribute and value. Based upon this we are going to select it. Okay, if you see for Selenium with Python or Java, we can able to provide for another option. This is directly value attribute and we can able to provide directly value that particular attribute and we'll get it right. Visible text and both the cases we are providing and we are doing. Now here is a different format. Okay, how these three operations we can able to do it. I'll copy this one, drop dot spec dot js and pasting here and again. Okay, now here what we can able to do it. First we need to select by index position by providing for index position. First position it is provided for Australia and Bangladesh, Denmark, Hong Kong, like that is are presented. Okay, options are by default. So 0 onwards it will provide. 0 slot it is become a null. Okay, and then I'm going to use for one option. First one select by value. Sorry, select by index position. Okay, now what I can do, await and await place a dollar. We can able to see here the ID is presented for that select drop down. Okay, for this I'm going to use for select ID purpose hash and value. Okay, then I'm going to use for select by index. Select by index. I'm going to use first two for selecting for the index of that particular element. Okay, then whether it is selected or not I need to check, then we can able to use it here sometime and we can able to select the value. Once it is selected we can able to see because we are waiting for some time to see that particular value is selected or not. Now Bangladesh is selected, you can able to see it is gone, right? And even we can able to wait some more time 2 seconds I'll provide. Then again I'm going to use it for another. Here the same, and here is only one change. It will be select by visible text. Visible text, we need to provide some visible text and we can able to select. And here most of the time capital, and I'm going to use for India. Okay. Now first you need to select that Bangladesh, then you need to select for India. Now we are choosing for by using select by visible text. Previous we choose for select by index position. Now we are choosing for select by visible text. Now it is taking very more time. Now Bangladesh came and now India also came. Okay, this is another way. Okay, and final one is get select by attribute. Select by attribute. Again, I'm taking this path and pasting here. Now here is select by attribute. Attribute is nothing but it will take for two options. One is value and another one is value attribute value comma, and this is the value and value attribute. Again I will come for Australia. Now after India, again I'm going to take for Australia. Okay, now once it is selected Australia, then left like that we are going to say. Now again we are running spec. Okay, I think it is selected. I hope it. One more time running. Actually, Bangladesh, India, and Australia. Yeah, it is selected. These are the three ways we can able to select our drop down values. I hope this information will help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to like my video and put some comments on this video. Thank you.